You are from which city?
Sir, I'm from Alapura.
Good. You are having interview on which date in which place?
Sir, on October 21st in Ernakulam.
In Ernakulam. Why some people from Alapura are going to Kottayam? Some people are going to Ernakulam. It is your choice, na?
Yes, sir, it is our choice.
Okay, fine. Good. Is
Okay.
Anaga, is this first or second mock for you?
So this is first mock.
Oh. Anaga, please tell me about yourself.
Yes, sir. So my name is Anakha. I'm hailing from Alapura district of Kerala. I've currently completed my post-graduation in commerce from Sanatana Dharma College under University of Kerala. And I've completed my graduation from the same college under University of Kerala. And my family consists of my father, mother, grandmother, and myself. My father is into business. My mother is a homemaker. And about my strength as well as weakness, my are that I'm a very empathetic person. I can strongly understand the emotion of a person and stand with him. And also, I'm a team player. And coming to my weaknesses, I think I concentrate on every minute things, and I want everything to be perfect from my side. So sometimes I consider it as my weakness.
Tell us about your family.
So my family consists of my father. My father is into business. He runs rooms near Vandana Medical College, Alapura, for the patients as well as bystanders. And my mother is a homemaker, and also I have my grandmother at my house.
Mhm. Good. Do you at times help your father in his business?
No, sir, I don't involve in that.
You, you do not involve yourself. Do you have brothers?
No, sir.
How many sisters you have?
Sir, I'm the only child to my parents.
Acha, you told only child. I'm sorry. Good.
Yes.
No problem. Who is your role model? Mummy or daddy or grandma?
Sir, I would say like my grandmother.
Hmm, great. What qualities you would like to learn from her?
Sir, I think my grandfather expired at a very young age. So she took care of my mother and my mother's brother. So at a very young age, I think she took that responsibility and raised them up really well. So I think that is considered as a great quality in her.
How old is she now?
So she's 75.
Great. My age only. Fine. Good. Yeah.
Okay.
Now, how come you have been able to communicate very well in English? What is the secret?
Sir, I used to watch English series every time, and I used to speak myself in front of mirror, sir, so that I can improve my skills.
You will speak to yourself.
Yes, sir. Sometimes.
Oh, good. That's nice. Apart from that, is it that you studied in English medium school?
Yes, sir. I studied in English medium school.
Is it a school that encouraged communication in English inside the class?
Yes, sir. Till 10th standard, I studied in a CBSE school, and after that, I switched to a state board, which was also an English medium. But I think till 10th standard, I was completely supported to speak in English in my class, and after that, it was not compulsory. But yes, sir.
But when it is not compulsory, you would have talked in Malayalam only
Yes,
because
sir.
you can communicate easily rather than in English. That's right. Good. You are communicating
Yes.
very well.
Thank you, sir.
Com. You are commerce.
Yes, sir.
Invariably, my first favorite question is what are the principles of bookkeeping?
Yes, sir. Um, sir, the so for the personal account, it is debit the receiver and credit the giver. When it comes to the real account, uh, debit what comes in and credit what goes out. And in a nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains.
Good. Can you tell
Thank
me
you, sir.
what is a trading and profit and loss account?
Yes, sir. So trading account is an account which shows all the business activities that has taken place in a company. It includes the opening stock as well as the purchases as well as the closing stock, and you'll be able to find out the gross profit at the end of the preparation. And the amount from the trading account will be transferred to P&L account.
What is P&L account?
So P&L account shows the amount of profit that the business has earned during a particular period of time, and the profit will be transferred to balance sheet from there.
No, you should tell the steps involved in profit and loss account. Like it includes wages, salaries, rent, taxes,
Okay.
etc., and
Okay.
bank interest, etc. That point you should bring. And
Okay, sir.
in the other area, you should also tell about opening stock and then stocks of raw materials bought, expenses incurred in manufacturing of the goods, and then the ending stock. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
like that you should explain properly.
Okay, sir.
Profit and loss account. Then comes balance sheet. Tell me what is a balance sheet.
The balance sheet is
Describe
a
describe a balance sheet for me in 2 to 3 minutes. Tell what all points you can narrate about it.
okay, sir. The balance sheet is a financial statement that shows the financial position of a company during a particular period of time. It includes assets as well as liabilities of a company. Uh, the asset sides will include the fixed assets, land and building, plant and machinery, all. And the liability side, we include all the liabilities that a company has incurred during a particular point of time. And in the asset side, and on the liability side, we'll consider the surplus from the profit and loss account also. And a company's financial balance sheet shows a financial position of a company, and it can act as a uh, communication tool for others to understand whether the company is performing well or not. So that is what I know about, sir.
Can you tell me what is balance sheet analysis, how it is done, why it is done? Can you tell me?
Uh, Sir, I'll try. So balance sheet analysis is a process of finding out whether the company is performing well based on various ratios and all. It is analyzed for the purposes of knowing whether the company is performing as per the indicators.
Hmm. No, we bankers are doing balance sheet analysis to decide whether to make finance or not, whether
Okay,
to
sir.
give loan or not. Understand?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Please tell me some of
Okay.
the ratios you are familiar with.
Yes, sir. Sir, profitability ratio, liquidity ratio, then asset turnover ratio. Um, uh, so that's all I can recall, sir.
Mhm. What is debt service coverage ratio? Before giving which type of loan is this done?
So debt service coverage ratio um, actually shows that whether the company will be able to cover the debt on a particular period. Actually checks whether the company has a liquidity to do that.
Hmm. So which loan
Uh,
for that we'll be using this?
uh, so
It
which
is for
loan?
term loans.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
It is for term loans. For working capital, we take current ratio.
Okay, sir.
Good. Very good. So this is a nice point. Now, you are an MCOM student.
Yes, sir.
What are the taxes that an individual or a businessman has to pay in our country? What are all
Um,
the taxes we have to pay?
Sir, individual can pay taxes like tax on house property,
Good.
then on business, on salary, then
Mm,
capital income.
mm,
Uh, and when it comes to a businessman, they have to pay taxes on the corporate income that they receive from the company.
mm,
And if they are involving in a trading business, they have to pay GST.
mm.
Yes.
Good.
That's all, sir.
GST you told,
Thank
income tax
Yes,
you
sir.
told, professional tax you told, property tax you told. Then you did not tell about water tax. Maybe in Kerala water tax is not there.
No, sir, we have water tax.
Acha, acha. Water tax also is there. Then what
Yes,
else
sir.
is the tax? I think this will do. No problem. Good.
Okay.
You covered
Oh,
nicely.
thank you, sir.
Yeah. What are the reasons on account of which an account becomes NPA?
Yes, sir. Sir, NPA is non-performing assets. That means when a bank provides loans or advances to a customer, sometimes it stops collecting the interest income that is supposed to receive from the loan. During after a certain period, usually it is considered as after 90 days. So that is when a particular loan or advances become a non-performing asset.
No. I think I was reading the question. I didn't catch you. I was
Okay,
asking you
sir.
from the angle of banker. What are the reasons on
Okay.
account of which account becomes NPA?
Sir, one reason is that the customer stops paying interest on the loan,
Hmm.
and the other
Hmm.
one is that if the period time period will be above 90 days.
That is the definition of NPA. I am asking
Oh,
why a borrower becomes an NPA borrower
sir, I don't know, sir.
because of the loss in the
Oh,
business or due to
okay, sir.
willful default, or it may
Okay,
be
okay,
due to diversion of funds into other business,
okay,
something
okay, sir.
like some other reasons. Please search in Google and find out.
Okay, sir.
What is intangible asset?
Sir, intangible assets are part of current assets, which does not have a physical existence in the world, but has value in the books of accounts.
Mhm.
Yes.
What are
Uh,
preference shares?
so preference shares uh, are shares that provides a right for the preference shareholder. It is a share other than the equity shares. So the preference shareholders get a right to get the returns before the equity shareholders at the winding up of the company, and
No,
also
no.
they get the monthly dividend. Uh,
Is that it? No. Normally, we say preference shareholders get priority in terms of dividend payment.
oh, okay,
Don't go into winding up. That is last stage. But this will do.
okay, sir.
What is a capital reserve?
Sir, capital reserve is an amount that has been kept aside for meeting some activities like expansion as well as the future prospectus of the company from the capital gain that the company earns.
Super. Good answer.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Very good answer.
Thank you, sir.
What are debentures?
Uh, Sir, debentures are um long-term credit instruments that are used to raise loans or other credit facilities.
Super.
Thank you, sir.
Correct. Mm, what do you know about capital budgeting?
So capital budgeting is based on the long-term investment decisions of a company regarding whether they should invest in a particular project or not, or if it is profitable to them to take over that particular business or not.
What is IRR?
Sir, IRR is internal rate of return. It checks whether the particular investment decisions that they've taken will cover the cost and will give back the profit amount that they deserve to receive.
Here it is given differently. Internal rate of return
Okay.
is the rate at
Yes.
which the sum total of discounted cash inflows equals the discounted cash outflow.
Okay.
It is
Okay.
given as point number 86 in the material given by me.
Yes, sir. I've seen that. I forgot about it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, what is a clean overdraft?
Um, Sir, I don't know, sir. Claim.
It refers to an advance by overdraft facility where no security is insisted.
Okay, okay, sir.
Overdraft is a thing where no security is insisted, whereas
Okay,
the same overdraft where goods security is taken, they are known as cash credit. When
okay, sir.
are
Okay,
in the shops and the custody of the borrower, they are known as open cash credit. When the goods
okay, sir.
are in the go down under lock and key of the bank, it is known as key cash credit.
Okay, sir.
Very good. I will put a last question for you. Please
Okay, sir.
tell me five union ministers, their cabinets.
Uh, sir, sir, I think I can't recall it right now. I'll refer to that, sir.
Why have you not prepared for this? I have been telling repeatedly in videos, in posts, and all that. And I have given you the
Yes.
ministers list also. How
Yes,
come
sir.
you were such a very good candidate? I would have given 95 out of 100 for you. But now that
Yes.
you have not answered this, I will give you 90. But
Okay, sir.
you should you should know static GK and current affairs also. Next time when I
Okay,
talk,
sir.
I will ask about that.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Thank you. Best wishes. You did extremely well. Among the so
Thank
many
you, sir.
candidates, this one was really good. But
Thank you,
again,
sir.
much depends on your luck. You should get easy questions there in
Yes, sir.
interview. Bhagwan ka haath mein hai. Which is your favorite god, Anaga?
Sir, I love Lord Krishna.
Acha. Good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.